7 and 8 art class. This is your weekly video for 7 and 8 art. And last week you should have turned into me your rough draft of your Albrecht Dürer creative notes. Check Renweb because I've graded them. If there is a missing grade or it's blank, that means I have not received it from you. If there's some kind of problem, you need to let me know. But last week this rough draft was due, and some of you may need to go back and watch the art history lesson on Albrecht Dürer and take some notes if you didn't do that already, because your creative notes should have lots of notes on them. Also remember Young Heyer. That would be a great thing to put on your creative notes. The Dürer insignia would be something you could put on there. Praying hands, that's another example. But last week we did the rough draft, which just needed to be in pencil. This week you need to do the final draft on your 9x12 paper, which you picked up from school. It's the nice white, thicker white sulfite drawing paper. It's 9x12. That's what your final draft goes on. If for some reason you did not pick up your 9x12 white sulfite drawing paper, go ahead and use some copy paper. But you'll do your final draft. You can outline with black marker, all right, if you have one at home, skinny black marker. But everyone should probably have some sort of colored pencils or some sort of marker or something that can do the color portion of this, because you need to color in. If you have coloring pencils, show off your colored pencil skills that we learned earlier in the school year, the color blending. But go ahead and do your final draft of your Albrecht Dürer creative notes. So just get half of your final draft done this week. Try to get to halfway. If you don't get quite halfway, then you'll make up the difference next week. But the final draft won't officially be due until the 24th. I'm just going to check your progress for halfway on the 9x12 paper. Don't forget, Dürer's name has the umlaut above the U, the two little dots. Make sure you're spelling his name correctly and adding that umlaut at the top when you're referring to his last name. So I look forward to seeing your halfway mark on this Friday the 17th of your final draft. And then next week you'll finish it up and you'll turn in the official finished final draft on the 24th of April. So good luck with your Albrecht Dürer creative notes.